Hey, this is Dave coming at you from Michigan. Yeah, we got the inspections done. We got the plumbing approved for the flooring in the garage, and we got the building for the foam in the garage and in the basement. And then yesterday, Gavin from Revolutionary Concrete texted me and said, hey, we can actually pour tomorrow, and here we are. So let's go in. They're actually buggying it in, and I'll just film a little bit of it. I don't want to be over their shoulders too much, so this will probably be kind of a shorter video, but I'd like to show a little bit of action on my channel once in a while.
Hi, YouTube.
There's Justin. Hey, YouTube. We got it going in. That was fast though, wasn't it, Justin? For how he got in contact with me yesterday. He was like, let's pour today. And we got, where's the Lewis Meister? There he is. He's on the job today. We're going to be doing some more tubing in the basement. Let's go film some of this stuff. Yeah, it's going right up flush with the floor. Pretty cool. Yeah, see how they just use the plywood just to protect the pipes a little bit. What was that?
It's a better view from the other side.
Yeah, let's get over there. I'll get right out here. They put re-rod right over it. It'll be pretty good. Pretty cool. You're on camera, bro.
Then cost extra.
Looking really good. I'm glad this is going in. That's amazing how fast this all happened. I mean, we really didn't start working on the basement maybe like the beginning of last week. And just, you know, by the time you get all the work done and then you get the permits and all that, and get the inspections. I mean, we already have the permits, but we call him for the inspections and then schedule with him to have it done this quick is pretty amazing. Pretty cool. Getting it done. That's cool. It's going to be right level with the house. It's just amazing. All right, well, I got work to do too, so I'm gonna get in the basement and continue with the plumbing down there. And I'll do a little short video at the end of the day when this is all poured. So this is Dave from Michigan signing off.